You walk into the grocery store just to grab a few things. But by the time you check out, your bill has somehow exploded to nearly $200, and you're left standing there wondering, how did this even happen? We walk in thinking it'll be quick and cheap. But stores are designed to quietly make us spend more than we planned. And most of the time, we don't even notice it happening. We think the store is just here to give us what we need. But the truth is, every shelf, every sign, and every display is carefully set up to pull more dollars from our wallet. It's not an accident, it's a plan. What if I told you the grocery store isn't just a store? It's a trap you've been walking into every single week. And the worst part, you've been playing by their rules without even realizing it. You're doing everything right, you clip coupons, you budget, you try to be smart. But no matter how hard you try, the bill keeps climbing. It feels like you just can't win. If we don't see through these tricks, groceries will drain thousands of dollars from our family budget every single year. That's money that could have gone to savings, vacations, or even just peace of mind. And that's why these hacks are so important to know. Want to outsmart the grocery store at their own game? Let me show you the 7 hacks they really don't want you to know. Hi, I'm Betty, your everyday mom, and this is Budget Betty, here on this channel. It's real tips, real moms, real savings. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a money-saving hack. Quick note, this video is for education and entertainment use. What works for you? Today, I'll walk you through 7 simple grocery hacks that can save your family hundreds every month. Ready? Let's go. In this video, 7 grocery hacks stores don't want you to know. Let's begin. Okay, moms, let's be real. Have you ever gone shopping while starving? Suddenly, everything looks delicious, and before you know it, your cart is full of stuff you didn't even plan to buy. Studies show that when we shop hungry, we spend up to 60% more. That's like tossing money away just because your stomach's growling. And here's the thing, stores know this. They place all those grab-and-go snacks right where you can't miss them, hoping you'll cave in. Picture this instead: you eat a quick snack before heading out. Now you stroll the aisles calm, sticking to your list, and walking out feeling proud instead of guilty. Without that snack first, you'll end up grabbing random things you don't even need. And later wonder, why did I buy all this junk? So here's the hack: eat before you shop, or just keep a little granola bar in your purse. It's such a small step, but it saves you big in the long run. Here's a sneaky trick stores play on us, ladies. They put the most expensive products right at eye level, so it's the first thing we see. And let's be honest, when we're rushing with kids or tired after work, that's exactly what we grab. But here's the kicker: families spend 10 to 15% more just by choosing what's right in front of their eyes. That's like tossing away a week's worth of school lunches and wasted money every month. Crazy, right? Now imagine this turning grocery shopping into a family game. You tell your kids, the real treasures are hidden on the top and bottom shelves. Suddenly, saving money feels fun, not stressful. See, convenience comes at a cost. That easy grab at eye level is always pricier than the stuff just a few inches away. Stores count on us being too tired or too busy to look around. It's just like the candy they put at checkout. It's not there by accident. It's placed exactly where we'll grab it without thinking. Eye-level products are the same trick, just bigger. So here's the hack: always check the top and bottom shelves before you grab anything. That's where the hidden gems and better deals are waiting. A little effort here saves a lot of money later. You know how we all grab the big family size, thinking it's always the best deal? Well, here's the truth: sometimes those big boxes actually cost you more per ounce than the smaller ones. Stores do this on purpose. They know we think bigger means cheaper, so they sneak in extra costs. Sometimes that so-called family size can be 20% more per ounce. But here's the good news: you don't have to guess. The store already puts the answer right there on the tag in tiny print. That's the unit price, and it's your secret weapon. Once you start using it, shopping feels like a game you can win. You're no longer guessing, you're in control, picking the smartest deal every time. Think of it like buying shoes. If they don't fit, you're not saving money, you're wasting it. Same with food: bigger isn't better if it costs more. So next time you're shopping, skip the guesswork. Just check that little number on the shelf tag. You'll walk out knowing you got the best deal every single time. Here's a secret most moms don't realize. The healthiest and cheapest foods are almost always found on the outer ring of the store. That's where you'll find the fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and dairy. It's like the real treasure map for smart shopping. Stores know we get distracted, and that's why the middle aisles are packed with colorful snacks and junk food. In fact, 60 to 70% of those impulse buys come from the center aisles. It's designed to pull us in like a carnival. But imagine this instead: your cart filled with fresh produce, meats, and real food your family actually needs. You feel proud walking to the checkout knowing every dollar is going toward meals that matter. No guilt, no waste, just smart choices. Those center aisles? They're set up to tempt us with bright colors and buy me now signs. It's not an accident, it's strategy. The outer ring is where the honest, everyday essentials live. Here's the hack. Stick mostly to the outer ring and only go into the middle aisles with a clear list in hand. It's like dipping into the jungle with a map. You go in, grab what you need, and get out before the traps catch you. So next time you shop, remember your power is in the outer ring. That's where savings, health, and smart choices all come together. It's the easiest way to shop like a pro. Okay, ladies, let's be real. Just because you see a big red sale sign doesn't mean you're actually saving money. Stores love to play little tricks on us, making us think we're getting a deal. In fact, studies show that more than 40% of grocery sales are nothing but regular prices dressed up to look special. Can you imagine? Almost half of those discounts aren't real at all. Picture this: you think you're grabbing a bargain, but in reality you're paying the same or sometimes even more than before. That's how they get us, quietly sneaky. It's kind of like walking through a garage sale where half the stuff is priced higher than the store itself. You'd laugh if it weren't so frustrating, right? But here's the thing, we don't have to fall for it. Imagine buying only the things that are truly on sale and skipping all the fake discounts. Here's my secret. I keep a little price list on my phone. Just by tracking the usual prices, I can spot a fake sale in seconds, and trust me, that feels amazing. Let me tell you something most people don't realize: when you shop matters just as much as what you buy. The day and time you walk into that store can change how much you spend. It's almost like a secret trick the store doesn't want you to know. If you usually shop on weekends, you're probably paying more and fighting through bigger crowds. Prices often creep up on those busy days, and honestly, the stress isn't worth it. You end up spending extra money and extra energy. But here's the secret: midweek shopping, like Tuesday or Wednesday, can save you 5 to 10% right off the bat. Stores roll out fresh deals and restock shelves then. It's calmer, cheaper, and a whole lot easier. Picture this: you're walking down the aisles without bumping into anyone, finding fresh produce and grabbing deals before anyone else. It feels almost like you've unlocked a hidden level of shopping. It's calmer and more enjoyable. Think of it like booking a flight. You wouldn't choose the busiest day if you wanted the cheapest ticket, right? Grocery shopping works the same way. Timing is the trick to saving big. So here's the tip: if you can, plan your shopping for midweek mornings. You'll skip the chaos, get the freshest deals, and your wallet will thank you. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. Alright, ladies, here's the truth: walking into a store without a list is like handing over your wallet to temptation. A list is your shield, your armor, keeping you focused on what you actually came for. Without it, the store will pull you in every direction. Studies show shoppers without a list spend 20 to 30% more. That's money that could have gone to a family night out, a bill paid off, or even a little treat for yourself. Writing that list literally keeps dollars in your pocket. Picture this: you walk out of the store with exactly what you need, not a single thing more. No guilt, no surprises, just that proud feeling of sticking to your plan. That's what the power of the list gives you. But without a list, you wander. You toss random things in your cart, and when you check out, you're left with regret and a bigger bill than planned. That's exactly what the store wants. It's like shopping blindfolded. Stores lead you where they want, not where you should go. The list takes that blindfold off and puts you back in control. And here's a little bonus hack: want even more discipline. Use cash instead of cards. When you feel the money leave your hands, you'll spend smarter every single time. Let's do a quick recap of the 7 grocery hacks. Don't shop hungry. Avoid eye-level traps, check unit pricing, shop the outer ring, watch fake sales, shop midweek, and always use a list with cash. Grocery shopping doesn't have to drain you, it can empower you. If these tips helped, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend who's tired of overspending. Which hack surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. This is Budget Betty, real tips, real moms, real savings. Until next time, may your cart be full and your wallet stay fuller.